Okay. So we've got this +4. I'm going to turn it on. I've got the Sidekick in there. It's in the 264 mode, and this cartridge can work in all different kind of modes. And this is what you have when you first start off. So we'll try and get something going here. I don't think I've got any sound coming through this because my upscaler is a bit. But basically, you can press F1 and you get this kind of near RAM. But the best thing to do is just have a look at some of the demos. It gives you Arcbro is a good one. My keyboard, I've got a problem with the keyboard, so bear with me. There you go. It's a shame, it's got pretty good sound, but it my sound's not hooked up, so just enjoy the graphics. So yeah, it's pretty cool. And push one of these buttons and you get back to the menu, just like that.